Guys, what's going on? And we're back, and we are mining. Okay, we are going. And I just made a 13-minute old video, and I almost passed my limit. Good thing I stopped. It takes really long to upload. Well, hopefully we can find something. I don't want to go mining and find nothing. I don't like to burn the wood. Oh, well, that's why you make an extra pick. Now, Vinny I still got my wooden pick, so. Whoa. But, yeah, please comment on my, how would you do it? Because I need to know, because I can't do another video until I get an idea, and if I don't get an idea, ooh, gravel, yes, y'all probably know what the heck, but now y'all do. Always find good things or caves beside gravel. That's how I find diamonds, so hopefully this is a good sign. Ooh, and dirt. Yes. Okay, that was my mom. That was my mom. Sorry about that. Break. You can. The times I'm recording, I don't find anything in gravel. The one thing about gravel blocks is they're so freaking deep. There's so much to dig out. That's why I hate them. Gravel. Either show me something or stop. I just thought of an easier way to break all this, but you have to use a torch. Oh, whoop. There goes my thing. There's my thingy. See how big gravel pockets are. I can't make a monster. Oh, coal. Yes, coal. Okay, y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about, but there's coal right here. Coal. This is. Okay, oh crap. Let's make some torches while we're right here. Yes, we got torches. Yeah, we can see. Let's get you. Finally, we find coal. Let's get all of it, because we need this. Because I can cook my stuff with saplings and wood, but making coal with wood isn't a good option. Oops. Well, I was going to get hate on if I would have done that. Well, now I can do that trick, but there's no reason to. We got what we came for. I actually came for other stuff, but I'm gonna. Thank you. Is that it? That was kind of good, but also kind of bad. Nope. There we go. I don't see what I was talking about. I think they eat something good. Well, I thought at first it didn't, but now I know it did. I'm glad I dug it out. Most people would have went by this, especially if they were searching for coal. But when I found anything, I just do this because it's easier. Then break it. And look up there, it says anything up there. Now, how much golly? Golly. See, and this is what I meant. Let's see. Where is okay. This is what I meant. This thing is huge. We go up. Then we go. See now, where is our mod? See what? That's how far I went with that white. Actually, I just wasted that tweet. Leave that up there. So I could, y'all could see fun. I could see fun. No, let's see if we can find anything good. Oh yeah. Oh crap. I was like, oh yes, and then I realized we just stepped back where we were. But then let's just dig down. Freaking kidding me. Just so if I have to do that. Yes, and I want to make it too lighting. I just didn't want to break my torch. Oh, I thought we found a cave seriously. I was like, oh. Now. Okay, we have found cave plus coal. Explore a little. Oh, ooh, is that gold? That's freaking gold. And we found a ravine in lava. But we dug down pretty far. So let's grab this coal. I still haven't found any iron though. Gosh, I found gold, but no iron. I need 3 iron to grab that gold. I want it. But you know, I also got this coal. Oh, we need to make more torches. There you go, that's gonna be good. Because we want to save some of our sticks just in case we gotta make some. Which we probably will have to because we're running out of pickaxes. Not cool, but is that off the ledge? If it's off a ledge, you can't like grab it. It's a big pot of coal. Come on, iron. We need you now. Ooh. Oh, you're right there. Oh yeah, that was actually pretty convenient. Ooh, actually, you don't want to do that because then I'll fall. So let's just break this block. And then do it. Where are you? I didn't even see you. You're in there probably. There, so we can grab that iron and gold. Going out of a good thing. This is why. Ooh, iron right there. This is why I bring a crafting table. Cause see, if I wouldn't have brung this, I'd have to make a new one, which would waste my wood. Cause I might need this wood for more sticks. Get my sword out. Maybe it's down there. God, it's loud. He is close. Down here? Oh, there! I moved. There's a slime! There's a slime, look. I hear slime. He's up there. Alright, it's 2:55. We're gonna spend 10 minutes. Well, we'll grab this iron and then we'll end this episode. We're gonna do a lot of episodes today. We found what we wanted, iron. Well, we really found coal, but then we found iron, and now we found gold. So, pretty good day. Let's grab this iron over here too, before my pick runs out. If I can even get it. That means probably an onion. Let me put some lady here. Probably some gold over there. Let's see. Oh, I got a lady. Is that it? Oh. I thought there was more. Donuts. Oh, did that fall? Oh my god. Probably did. I didn't do it. Oh, it did. Yes. Well, and guys, that is it. And